Welcome again to my tutorials, gym tutorials. We will use today the smudge tool, smudge selectively using a brush. With this hand over here, it is called smudge tool. Let's smudge selectively. Here we go in the eyes and you see what we can do with the smudge tool. You can make differences in your layer. You see here, the eyes start becoming more alive. It is fantastic, just fantastic. This is the smudge tool. Let's go over here to see the differences. Change the eyes, smudge tool. In another tutorial, I'm going to show you how you will create fantastic eyes. Master in painting, digital paintings. Now, let's see what this dodge burn tool selectively lighten or darken using a brush. You see, it makes damage to my painting. I don't like this tool right now. So, we may use this tool, clone tool, selectively copy from an image or pattern using a brush. Press the clone tool and you will see the differences. Now, if I press my button with my left hand of my mouse over here and then hold the control button from my keyboard, it has a circle over here. So I will copy this part in this direction. With copy, I have created a circle. Now I am going to copy, just moving my mouse, and I have a cloning eye from left to right. Just copy it. You see, it's very easy. This is the cloning tool. It is a fantastic tool for cloning creations. Just try to make it with patience, so to delete places and parts that are not useful for your illustrator. Okay. Take your own time for your better results. This is what I wanted to show you for today, how to use the clone tool. Thank you for joining my videos and my tutorials. Come back soon for more. Bye.